Have you ever needed to understand which Power BI reports were using which data sets? Or which data sets are using which data sources? Well, here's a Power BI tip about Lineage from your friends at Spindustry. Let's take a look. If you have ever needed to change a data source, but you weren't sure what effect that change would have on other reports in your environment, you probably need to know how to see relationships between data sources, data sets, and reports in Power BI. Fortunately, Microsoft makes this one easy for us. Just go to your Power BI environment, click on a workspace, and then click the View button. Here you'll find the Lineage view. As you can see, I have multiple data sources being used by a data set. The data set is powering 2 of my reports. You can even see things like if there's a gateway involved. You can also click the Show Impact Across Workspaces icon and get an impact analysis for that data source or data set. So give it a try and let us know what you think.